Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus from the NCERT textbook, pair of linear equation in two variables. That is the third chapter. 4 exercises I have completed. This is the fifth exercise. I will continue the exercise. Second sum. For which values of A and B does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? So two equations are given. We are asked to find the value of A and B in this. So, for infinite number of solution, the condition is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. This is the condition for infinite number of solution. With the help of that condition, we will solve the value for this A and B. So, A1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to 3, C1 is equal to minus 7. Okay. Then A2 is equal to A minus B. B2 is equal to A plus B. C2 is equal to minus 3A plus B minus 2. So this one is A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2. So for infinite number of solution, the condition is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. We got the values for A, B, C and all. So all those things we will substitute this in the given condition. So A1 is 2 by A2 is A minus B is equal to B1 is 3 by B2 is A plus B, C1 is minus 7 by C2 is minus 3A plus B minus 2. So this is so we will cancel this negative sign in the numerator and denominator. Now from this has to be solved to find the value of A and B. So for that, so first two conditions we will take, these two we will take, and any two combinations we will take. We will get two linear equation with the two variables with A and B. If we solve that, we will get the value for that A and B. So I will take this first two equation. So 2 into A plus B is equal to 3 into A minus B. So this one I will simplify first. So 2A plus 2B is equal to 3A minus 3B. So 2A minus 3A, I am bringing it to this side, plus 2B plus 3B is equal to 0. So everything I am bringing it to one side. So 2A minus 3A is minus A plus 5B. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5B is equal to 0. So we got the first equation. Now I am taking this 3 by A plus B and 7 by 3A plus B minus 2 and solve that one. So 3 into 3A plus B minus 2 and cross multiplying these two is equal to 7 into A plus B. So when I simplify this, 9A plus 3B minus 6 is equal to 7A plus 7B. So bringing A and B values to this side, 9A plus 3B minus 7A minus 7B is equal to this 6. I am bringing it to that side. So 9A plus 3B is 12B minus 7 9A minus 7A. 9A minus 7A is 2A. 3B minus 4B minus 7B is minus 4B. Plus 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Minus 4B is equal to 6. So the whole thing I am dividing it by 2 since all the terms have multiples of 2. So A minus 2B is equal to 3. So this is the second equation. So first equation is minus A plus 5B is equal to 0. Second one is A minus 2B is equal to 3. So we will solve these two equations. So first one is minus A plus 5B is equal to 0. Second equation is A minus 2B is equal to 3. So plus a minus a will get cancelled. So the balance is 3b plus 5 minus 2 is 3b is equal to 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. So b value I got it as. So b is equal to 1. I am substituting it in the first equation. So first equation is minus a plus 5b. Minus a plus 5b is equal to 0. So b value minus a plus 5 into b value is 1. So minus a plus 5 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 5. So minus a is equal to minus 5 I get. So a is equal to 5. So we are asked to find the value of a and b. So value for a is 5 and b is equal to 1. Okay. Second sum is, for which value of k does the following pair of linear equations have no solution? So two equations are given. We are asked to find the value of k if the given equations have no solution for that. So the condition for no solution is, for no solution, condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So this is the condition. So from the given two equations we will find a1 a2, b1 b2 and c1 c2. So a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to minus 1. Then a2 is equal to 2k minus 1, b2 is equal to k minus 1, c2 is equal to minus 2k plus 1. Now we will substitute this in the given condition. So 3 by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 by k minus 1 not equal to minus 1 by minus 2k plus 1. So this minus will get cancelled. So when we cross multiply this, 3 into k minus 1 is equal to 2k minus 1. So 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. So 3k minus 2k is equal to minus 1 plus 3. So k is equal to 2. So we got the value for k is equal to 2. Then we will take these two equations. So 2k, when we cross multiply, 2k plus 1 not equal to k minus 1. Then 2k minus k is equal to minus 1 minus 1. This plus 1, when it is going to that side, that will be minus 1. So k, that is not equal to. So k not equal to minus 2. So these are the two conditions. K is equal to 2 and k not equal to 2. So for what value of k does the following pair of linear equation have no solution? For k is equal to 2, the following pair of linear equations have no solution. Third sum is, solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution method and cross multiplication method. So the first two equations are given. So in this equation, I will take the first equation as 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. Okay, so in this 8x is equal to 9 minus 5y. So x is equal to 9 minus 5y by 8. So this is the x value I got. Okay, so this x value I am substituting it in the second equation. So this one is substitution method. So first one I am doing substitution method. Substitution method. So whatever method I am doing, I have to get the same values of x and y. So second equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. In this x value, I got it as 3 into 9 minus 5y by 8 plus 2y is equal to 4. So this one there is nothing to simplify. So I will multiply this 3 with the numerator. So 9 3s are 27 minus 5 3s are 15y by 8 plus 2y is equal to 4. So 27 minus 15y plus, if I take LCM, it will be 16y is equal to, this 8 will go to the other side So it will be 8 4s are 32. So 27 minus 15 plus 16y is plus y is equal to 32. So y is equal to 32 minus 27. So y value is here 27 here. So y is equal to 5. So I got the y value as 5. So this y value I will substitute it in this x. So x is equal to 9 minus 5y by 8. So that is equal to 9 minus 5 into I got the y value as 5. So 5 by 8. So that is equal to 9 minus 5 5s are 25 by 8. So that is equal to 25 minus 9 is 16. Minus 16 by 8. So x is equal to minus 2. So this is my x value and y value. Okay. Now, so this one is substitution method, that is over. Now I am going to do cross multiplication method. So now I will do cross multiplication method. So for cross multiplication method, next one is cross multiplication method. That only they are asked us to do. So cross multiplication method is, so I will write both the equation. 8x plus 5y is equal to 9 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. So in this, x, y and constant term minus 1. x, y and constant term. So in this, if I close this x value, y from y I have to start. So that is 5, 2 and the constant term is constant term is 9 and 4. Constant term is 9 and 4. Now for this y, already 9 and 4 is there. Then the remaining is 8 and 3. That is the x coordinates. Then for this constant term, already 8 and 3 is there. So the remaining is 5 and 2. So I am started with 5 and 2. Then I have to end with that 5 and 2. So now this has to be cross multiplied. So this one has to be cross multiplied. Okay, so x divided by 5 4s are 20 minus 9 2s are 80 is equal to y by 9 3s are 27 minus 8 4s are 32 is equal to 8 2s are 16, that is minus 1 by 8 2s are 16 minus 5 3s are 50. So now if I simplify, x by 2 is equal to y by minus 5 is equal to minus 1 by 1. Okay, now I am equating this x and the constant term. So x by 2 is equal to minus 1. Then y by minus 5 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 by 1 is minus 1 only. So x is equal to minus 2. I got the x value as minus 2 and y is equal to minus 5 into minus 1 is 5. So in the previous method also I got the same thing. Y value as 5. Here also I got y value as 5. Here I got x value as minus 2. So here also x value as minus 2. So this is cross multiplication method and this one is substitution method. So in whatever methods you are doing, you have to get the same values only. So with this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.